Are we? Come close. Let's talk. I'm not frowning today, but then, listen up. Who told you that your book must be big and voluminous?
Does it concern you?
No, it doesn't have to be so big. And that's the mistake some authors make. We review books on a daily basis and we see so many manuscripts with content that their book would have been better off without. Should I shock you? Your book must not be voluminous to be worthy of the price tag on it.
He shock you!
Can we normalize something? Let's normalize quality over quantity. Ebube, I'm talking. You are still doing the same thing.
You dey use your function to play.
Anyways, guys, you want to thank me? Don't thank me. What are friends for? But then, like, share, comment. Bye for now.